Today's video is about world cultures, diversity, and traditions. The tapestry of human civilization is woven with the rich threads of diverse cultures, each contributing to the vibrant mosaic that defines our global society. The world's cultural landscape is a testament to the unique histories, traditions, and values that have evolved over millennia. In exploring world cultures, we encounter a kaleidoscope of practices, beliefs, languages, and customs that not only distinguish one community from another, but also highlight the interconnectedness of our shared human experience. The diversity of world cultures is a reflection of the multitude of human experiences across different geographical regions. From the bustling markets of Marrakech to the serene temples of Kyoto, each culture brings forth a unique tapestry of art, music, cuisine, and rituals. The languages spoken, the ways of dressing, and the customs observed vary greatly, creating a rich tapestry that speaks to the resilience and adaptability of humanity. Cultural traditions serve as guardians of a community's heritage, preserving the collective wisdom of generations. These traditions are expressed through rituals, ceremonies, and celebrations that mark significant milestones in the life of a community. Whether it's the intricate henna patterns adorning a bride's hands in India, the rhythmic beats of African drumming ceremonies, or the solemn rituals of a Japanese tea ceremony, cultural traditions are the threads that bind communities across time. Language, a fundamental aspect of culture, serves as a powerful beacon that illuminates the unique identity of a community. The cadence of words, the nuances of expressions, and the poetry of language encapsulate the essence of cultural identity. From the tonal complexities of Mandarin Chinese to the lyrical beauty of Arabic calligraphy, languages are not just tools for communication, but vessels carrying the history, folklore, and worldview of a people. In our interconnected world, the exchange of ideas, customs, and traditions has become increasingly prevalent. Cultural exchange fosters understanding and appreciation, breaking down barriers and fostering a sense of global community. Festivals, international cuisine, and collaborative art projects are just a few examples of how cultures intertwine, creating a harmonious symphony of diversity. While the celebration of cultural diversity is crucial, it is essential to acknowledge the challenges that threaten the preservation of cultural traditions. Globalization, rapid technological advancements, and social changes can sometimes lead to the erosion of unique cultural practices. The delicate balance between embracing progress and safeguarding cultural heritage requires thoughtful consideration and intentional efforts to ensure the continuity of traditions. World cultures, with their diversity and traditions, form the foundation of our global identity. As we navigate the 21st century, the appreciation of different cultures becomes paramount in fostering harmony and understanding. Embracing the richness of world cultures allows us to recognize our shared humanity, transcending borders and building bridges of respect and appreciation. Through the celebration and preservation of our diverse heritage, we contribute to the ongoing story of humanity, where every culture adds a unique chapter to the ever-evolving narrative of our shared existence. What is the significance of cultural diversity in our global society? Cultural diversity is essential as it enriches our global society by bringing forth a variety of perspectives, traditions, and ways of life. It fosters a more inclusive and interconnected world, promoting understanding and appreciation among people from different backgrounds. How do cultural traditions contribute to the identity of a community? Cultural traditions play a crucial role in shaping the identity of a community by preserving its heritage and passing down collective wisdom through generations. Rituals, ceremonies, and celebrations are expressions of cultural identity, creating a sense of continuity and belonging. How does language reflect and preserve cultural identity? Language is a powerful tool that reflects the unique identity of a culture. The nuances of expressions, idioms, and the storytelling embedded in a language encapsulate the history, values, and worldview of a people. Language is a living repository of cultural identity. What role does cultural exchange play in promoting understanding among diverse communities? Cultural exchange serves as a bridge, fostering understanding and appreciation among diverse communities. Through festivals, cuisine, art, and shared experiences, cultural exchange breaks down barriers, promotes mutual respect, and contributes to a sense of global community. What are the challenges to preserving cultural traditions in the face of globalization? Globalization, technological advancements, and social changes can pose challenges to the preservation of cultural traditions. The rapid spread of information and cultural influences may lead to the erosion of unique practices. Striking a balance between progress and cultural preservation requires intentional efforts and awareness. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.